Unong ilam ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP bat MLA ka pedom khra ba elhek ula kentu ka kenhun Lawei Ba Phyrnai ban wan khmat ban yekren bat persngoi ki jinge jengki hakmat umtirang ba ka jala megalia konrad ki sangma ulong ba omdei tang lai pinyungut ki bakerdu kam kerdu jam leide ki pau hajar pat ka Sorkar ka de ban simjin kli ban wengi ka jinge na ka jing kerdu kam kerdu jam hapdeng ki samla.
One wrong cannot correct the other wrong. Only the right path can correct the right things. The right thoughts will correct the wrong things. The one wrong cannot correct the another wrong thing. This is very clear. But one wrong cannot correct the another wrong. Come to the right path. We can talk to Honorable Chief Minister. We can talk to the government if they have their grievances. They thought there's been discriminating. Definitely, government will have to listen because they have every right to ask for the government. This is not only the 37 unemployed youth in our state. It may be more than 37,000 youths are unemployed in our state. We have to listen to the 37,000 maybe. This is our sole responsibility to the government, sole responsibility to address all kind of grievances, particularly unemployment issues. That's why I told you, we are somewhere we are wrong. We need a self-introspection. We need introspection on this issue.
Halor ka jingi kren suk bat ka Chelsea ubahek ulong ba ka de sin jam ka babyang palat ha ka bala thung yok siang nak mantaban poi sha ka jingtmu.
Very welcome step taken by both the government and also by our HNLC friends. Good move and a good step. Government they are doing. They have appointed the interlocutor also from the representative from the government. So definitely government is taking the step